piece to something. Oh, wait a minute. Hello, MFers, and everybody knows MFers means magnet fishers. We're on the bridge. We're in the hood. Let's rock. Hey, good morning. All right, Bob, I'm out here first row. So we're gonna have some spectators today. You're gonna see, you'll see. We got a swimmer. Come on, swimmer, where you going? Oh, holy cow! You gotta see this. This, my friends, is a murder weapon. I'll bet anything on that. Look at this bad boy. Wow. What's that say? Fiscars? Whoa. Now that, my friends, where we are, is a murder weapon. Wow. Get some more. What we got there? Oh, this looks interesting. That's square. What is that? Oh, you know what that is. That's a hard drive. That's in good shape too. I bet you they can still get stuff off of that. Right? Am I right? That's a hard drive? Oh. Oh, scooter. That's what it looks like. Yes, sirree, Bob. Okay, scooter. Dump the papa. No, you don't want to do that. You want to go that way. Yeah, scooter. Oh, what's that? Ah, you see that? It's a couple things. All right, come on. What do we got? The heck is it? I don't know what that is. It's some kind of bar. But what is this? I'm lost. I don't know if anyone could tell me. Oh, by the way, anybody make the bucket? Oh yeah. See if you see yourself. Nice. Alright, come on. Come to Papa. Oh, this is heavy. Whatever it is. Oof. See if I can get it out of there before it falls. I don't know. It looks like some kind of engine. And that's what it is. My guess, some kind of engine. Oh, broken knife. Hope it's not in somebody's back or front. Say hi to traffic. Hi, traffic. They don't like me anyway. I don't like them either. Morning. Sorry. Lo siento. Mi mucho sucio. Sorry.
Oh.
Yeah. Oh. Come on. Let's see what we got. Uh-oh. Oh, looks like dumbbell. You know, barbell. Lifting weights. Yep. Nice. Oh, it's another hard drive. Oh boy, this is a good catch. Let's see here. Another one of these. If that is a hard drive. I thought they were thinner though. I thought they were a little thinner than that. Alright. Got two of those. Two of those things, whatever they are. Got the Patterson spoon. More nail gun ammo. So we know there's a gun down there. Just happens to be a nail gun. And a weight. You know, this is a good weight. Right here. For getting your magnet off of the bridge, believe it or not. I may keep that. This looks kind of interesting. I can't tell where it is from here. But I don't know, it looks like a doorknob from afar. Yeah, that's what it is. Oh, I got more than a doorknob on there. I got a Zippo lighter. Nice. Oh, I think I just broke it. Let's put that there. Doorknob. Yep, nice little Zippo lighter. You know, if you send them back to Zippo, they'll fix them for nothing. That's what I heard anyway. Get out there. Oh, okay. What's that? I can't tell, but something looks interesting. Oh, look at that. Nice. It's a nice little knife right there. Lock. Now, this sort of house over here actually used to be a bar. This I'm talking 30 years ago, but. Alright, now this isn't a replay, but take a look there. That sure looks like another hard drive. Yes, it is, right? That's another hard drive. That, my friends, is number 3. 3 hard drives. Wow. Oh, this is that Goldilocks feel that I'm telling you. Wait. All magnet fishers know it. Not too heavy. Somewhere in between. Usually something good on there. Oh, what do we got? Oh, cool blade right there. Okay. 3 blades, 3 hard drives, and a pile of these nail gun ammo. What is that? Oh, just a handle to something. Pretty heavy though. Now this nail gun ammo is just ridiculous. I got piles of it. But look at this doorknob. Okay, fancy schmancy, huh? But yeah, I got the nails. I just keep pulling it up. Got a pile of it.
Well, that machete do some damage.
So you think that's a murder weapon?
It's a murder weapon.
Nice. Well, not nice, but you know what I mean.
But it was a river, so you know how somebody do their own code.
Yep. I found those too, the hard drives.
Stash over with that little knife.
The hard drives over there too.
Somebody stash over with that knife. Somebody else.
Yep.
Somebody chopped over the machete.
Yep.
Yeah, look, you put a machete.
Nice, huh? Cool stuff. I ain't done yet. I'm gonna find a gun. See, it's a big ass magnet. It's all nail stuff. I'll show you how this.
Oh, that grass is a big ass magnet.
See this? Say that's on the bottom.
Oh, okay.
See what I'm saying?
Reload it.
Yep.
But yo, you got that shit?
Yep.
You gotta get the gun.
Yep. I'm going for it, brother.
You gotta get a gun, man.
I'm going for it. Oh, I think you can see no trip is complete without the pliers. Oh, those bad boys ain't working no more. Oh, what do we got there? That's a piece of something, right? Piece to something. Oh, wait a minute. This is a sawed-off shotgun, taped up. Holy cow. Check that out. That is a sawed-off shotgun taped up. My God. The tape is on it and everything. Holy cow. I don't want to point it any which way. Sawed-off shotgun, man. Wow. That, my friends, is a murder weapon. Holy cow. Wow, that's all I gotta say. Beautiful. Not beautiful because it was probably used in a crime, but you know what I mean. Nice to get out of there. Wow. Oh, what do we got here? Oh, something square. I see that. Is that another one? I think it is. It's another hard drive. Wow.
What is that?
That's a hard drive, right? But check this out. That's a sawed-off shotgun, my friend. Yeah.
Awesome.
And that's a machete. All kinds of goodies. Thanks. Yeah, we got some weight on here. Oh, what's that feel like? Oh, what's that look like? I think you can see what that is. That looks like another machete. Are you kidding me? Whoa! That's another one.
I drove by.
You drove by, right? Here's another one. All right, there were some cops driving by, and I told them about some of the stuff that I caught. So they stopped right up on the bridge, and they're going to come over here. Sawed-off shotgun.
Where?
Magnet fishing.
I know. What's it gun?
Right here in the water. Who knows?
Oh, but you didn't find one yet.
I got it.
Shotgun?
Yep.
What?
I mean,
I plan on throwing all this stuff out unless I have to, you know, you guys have to take it. I understand if you take it. Because there's nothing I can do with that. I'm not going to try to fix it or anything. I don't want to mess with it. It's probably going to go in the garbage. How you doing, bro?
I do, man.
All right. It'll never be seen again after today, I can tell you that. Because I'm going to dispose of it properly.
Alright, we'll take it off your hands,
Okay.
and I'm gonna be checking on you to see what else.
Okay, cool. You want to see my YouTube channel?
Yes.
I got a sticker.
You have a channel?
Yeah, I do.
Oh, that's cool.
I go around Patterson, Newark, all over the place. MFers, but it stands for Magnet Fishers. A little
love
entendre
that.
there, huh?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yep. Thank you. All right.
Alright.
So you're going to take it or no?
Yeah, we're gonna take it.
Okay.
Take it aside.
All right. Thank you for stopping, too.
Thank you.
I appreciate it. So I didn't have to call in, right?
Yeah.
All right. You got my ID. You got everything.
Let us know if you see anything on those tapes.
Yeah, I don't think I'm good. I'm just going to, you'll never see any of this again. I'm throwing it out.
Alright.
Yeah. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Thank you. All right, MFers, we had a good day. We got those hard drives. The police came and took the sawed-off shotgun. We got blades. We got everything. And we got some cleaning to do, so we're going to get to it. So, like if you like. Subscribe if you want. Have a great day. And thanks for watching.